What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Memphis, and today this is actually a different type of video. This is my first time doing such. Well, this is not my first time, but I lost the first one I ever did, so I'm doing another one for you guys. I'm in Guzape and I want to show you this 4-bedroom apartment. It's a short stay or short let apartment, and it's actually a terrace. They have 5 apartments, so they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm just going to pick one random one and show you guys. Any, mini, miny, moo. Father had a donkey. This one. So we're going to go inside and I'll show you what the apartment comes with. So let's go.
Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. She tell me say now only me. They make a move, they make a feel right now.
So you walk in here and you have your ante room. No, I don't think this is an ante room. This is just like a little, the entrance of the house, and then you come here and you have your guest bathroom, guest toilet, sorry. So from the hallway, after the guest toilet, you walk into the living room. Very spacious. It comes fully fitted because obviously you're going to be paying money. And smart TV, DSTV, you know, very decent. Let me show you guys the kitchen. Now the lights in the kitchen is very bad, so you guys cannot see much. But then this is what it looks like. Comes with basic stuff as well. And you have a fridge here. Lighting is really bad. I don't think you guys can see. But and then you also have a store here, this door. So let's go upstairs. Who is this kind of apartment suited for? So this is suited for people that just want to have like a weekend getaway. Let's say you're having a party, like a birthday party or a bachelorette party or a bachelor's eve, you know, something nice. And you guys, the lighting here is not so great. I didn't know that. I would have brought my ring light. This is the second living room upstairs, and there's a balcony. Let me show you guys. Balcony. Let me show you the first room on the first floor. So this is the first room. Pretty decent if you're asking. This one has a balcony. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So here you can see the compound and your neighbors. And this is what the bathroom looks like. So now let's go to the second room. Sorry. This is the second room. And I think this is the smallest room in this house. Yeah. This is, and all the rooms have this exact type of dressing table. Nice wardrobes, very spacious. I mean, you wouldn't even be staying here for long, so do you really care about the space of the wardrobe? I mean, if you're rich, you could stay here for a long time, but I don't know about that. Going to the last floor, which has the master bedroom. And this is another room, and yeah, same dressing table that I love. I don't think it's the dressing table I love. I think it's this chair actually. Yeah, I think it's really cute. And it has a this room has a balcony. So 3 of the rooms have balconies, and one room, the one down here, the one under this one, doesn't have a balcony. So yeah. The bathroom as well. And let me show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and I can't begin to name how many things I love about this room. The dresser, obviously, the bed, obviously, and I love these full mirrors. Here, there's one here, and then Regina is trying not to show, but you still show. And then there's another one here, and then there's your balcony here. I'm not going to show you guys because you guys have already seen it, and let me show you the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is pretty much the same as all the other rooms. So I think we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like I said, this is my first time doing this, so forgive me if it's a bit rough, and again the lighting is not so great. But yeah, these houses are available for shortlet, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave some details down in the description box below, so you can like contact for further inquiries. Alright, thanks for watching. Who is this apartment suitable for? I feel like this apartment is suitable for bridal showers, bachelors or bachelorette parties, like short stays, Airbnb. It could be a holiday home, like if you don't stay in Abuja and you're coming into town and you have like a huge family, you could get this house, you could get this apartment for a short period of time. And yeah, you guys, this is all for the apartment. If you liked this video and if you like to see more of this kind of videos, do let me know in the comments section and I will come through with more of these videos. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.